situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. The forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles, today, patchy low clouds and fog in the morning, then mostly San Bernardino and Riverside County.
Joy from you to anointed by the Holy Spirit. This is going to be a blessing. $15 each. Dan Blake's song.
To commemorate his long career of undying loyalty, honor, and acts of heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Twice, the Security Officers Trade Association is proud to bestow on Officer Paul Blart
The weekly test of the NOAA radio warning device. Warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe possible, the test will be postponed another day. The warning alarm is active. It watches hazards and special non-weather events that San Luis, Ventura, and Los Angeles and coastal.
Դիմորացված եւ չմուծված ամեն
բնականորեն ինքը մաքրվում է
1960s to the 2000s, and they are expected to continue occurring for decades. And of course, the worst part of this picture, Tony, is that the companies
the local market very quickly, and we would like to know how you did it.
Quality patient care in Southern California.
Փոխել եմ մի քիչ գիր կարթան։ Ուպարտերը, pagar biles, pagar renta, pagar nada. Vamos a seguir leyendo.
This show the price. So incredibly gorgeous. Let me share with you the lengths that we have. In the yellow gold, always the most popular, we have the 16-inch, 5 left. Okay, this is selling out. The 18-inch, 2 left. That is it. So we also have the white gold in the 16, 18, and 20 inch. So starting at just